In today's video, I am making Paula Deen's broccoli casserole. I hope you'll come along with me and let me show you how I put this together. The recipe calls for 2 bags of cooked and drained broccoli, so I will be adding 2 bags to this. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to grab my cheese. This is the cheese I'll be using. I need 1 cup. And that looks good. I'm going to take it over to the sink and drain that. This recipe calls for 1 cup of mayo. I don't have very much Miracle Whip. That's what we love. So what I'm going to do is use a 1/2 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of the Miracle Whip. Which one is your favorite? I know I've done a video before, not on this channel, but on my other channel, and people are very, they have strong feelings about their mayo. I'm going to go ahead and add this in. And now I'm going to add in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And now I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to need 2 eggs. I want to mix them up a little bit and then I will add them into the bowl. I'm going to add in 1/2 of the 1 cup of cheese and save the other 1/2 for the last part. Now I just want to mix this up real well. That looks good. I'm going to grab my dish, and I just went and measured this dish. It's 7 inches by 11. I'm going to spray it real good just so nothing sticks. Now I'll just add it into the casserole dish. The recipe calls for 2 cups of crackers. I'm going to use this whole sleeve. There's something very satisfying about this process. You could use your food processor and do it in a quick little second. The problem is, for me, pull all that out, then I gotta wash that dish. It's just, do I want to go through that when, I could do this in just a few minutes. That looks good, and now I'm going to need butter. I'm going to just use a 1/2 stick of butter. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put that in the microwave and get it melted, and now I'm going to grab the remainder of my cheese. I just want to spread that on the top. And now I will add the cracker crumbs to the top. That looks good. Now I'm just going to add the butter to the top of this and just I'm going to just drizzle it. That way every piece of this, as you get it out, when it's done, will have butter on it. And this is ready to go into the oven. The oven is set at 350 degrees, and this will cook for 35 minutes. Now I'll bring it out. That is looking great. This looks so good. I can't wait to try some. Oh, I love the topping on the top too. That just kind of adds to it. I will leave the recipe down in the description box if you would like to have that. And I hope you'll give this recipe a try. And at the end of this video, I'm going to leave a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I hope if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the like button. And I want to thank you for watching today.